When it comes to electronics projects, the one thing you always need is an extra pair of hands. I'm Justin with AlteringSubstances.com, and in this episode I'll be showing you my circuit design assistant. Don't worry, they're tough. So stick around and I'll show you my circuit design assistant for the Arduino Uno form factor. All right, this is the circuit design assistant assembled, the breadboard attached, the Uno microcontroller attached. It's got silicon feet on the back, stops it from slipping. Let me take out the screw. Remove the board. This is glued on. Get another one, I guess, and show you. This is what it looks like prior, obviously. You just peel the sticky tape off the back of one of these breadboards, slap it right on. Once you have it there, it's got 4 snap clips. It's got 4 standoff bases. Well, it's got 5 standoff bases. 2 with alignment bosses, and then 1 screw just for good measure. You don't really need it. If you enjoyed that and you'd like a chance to win one of these prototyping boards, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.